Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your IT class. In my last week video, we have started our Unit 5 digital presentation. All the chapters are completed, and we were doing the last chapter that was the working with the slide master. In this working with the slide master, there are 5 topics under this working with slide master chapter. First is what is the slide master, what is the placeholder, title placeholder, and what is the body placeholder. Next topic is creating a custom layout, how you can create your customized layout of your slide master. Changing color scheme, how you can change the color schemes of your slides. Changing background color, how you can change the background color of your slides. Next is adding the transition effects, how you can add on the transition effects between the slides. In my last video, we have started this chapter and we have covered our two topics. First was the slide master, what about the slide master, and what is the title slide master and body text, title placeholder and the body placeholder. And next topic which we had covered, that was the adding transition effects, that how we can add on the transition effects in our presentation between the slides. And in my today's video, we will cover up these three topics, that how we can customize, how we can create a customized layout of the slide master, how we can change the color scheme, and how we can change the background color of the slides in your presentation. So I hope you have done the practical of last week video, and today we are moving further. Let's come with me for the practical sessions of these three left topics. Yes, dear students, welcome to the practical session of this chapter. Today I will told you that how we can create a customized layouts. Last week I have told you what is the slide master and how you can use the slide master. And today I will tell you that how you can change the layout of the slide master that is already built in the PowerPoint. For changing for customizing your slide master layout, you have to go in you will click on this view tab. Then you have to go in this master view group. In master view group, you will click on the slide master. As you will click on the slide master, you can see that at the left end there is the slide pane and there are the various slides. This is the master slide and that are their sub slides. In these sub slides, now you will click the blank layout slide in the list of the thumbnail layout present in this slide pane. This is title slide. This is title and the content. This is section header. This is to content, and this is only title only layout, and next is the blank layout. Now we will go here on the blank layout. Now you will click on this blank layout. Now you can see here it is showing the blank layout slide. In this blank layout slide, now you can insert anything which you want. Firstly, how you can insert in this? Firstly, you will click on we are already click on the slide master tab. Now you will go on this edit master group. In the edit master group, you will click on the insert slide master like this. Now in this blank tab, there is the slide master inserted here. Now this is the slide master, and now you want to customize it. How you can customize it? There are some footers here, their date. This is the body text holder. This is the title text holder. Which placeholder you wanted to remove, you have to just select that placeholder and you have to click on this delete button. अब मैं इसको कस्टमाइज कर रही हूँ. इस कस्टमाइज में मुझे ये फुटर नहीं चाहिए. I will click on this footer. Now this is selected. Now click on the delete button on your keyboard. Like this. I have clicked on this delete button. Now this date option is removed. Similarly, अगर आपको टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर नहीं चाहिए, you can click on this title place holder. If you don't want this body place holder, then you can click on this body place holder to remove it. This by this method you can customize it. This is that if you want to delete something from this slide master. And next thing is, if you want to insert something new in this slide master, then how you can do this. Then now if you want to insert something, then again I am selecting this blank layout. In this blank layout I am clicking. Now I am going in master layout option, master layout group. In this master layout group you have to click on this insert placeholder. Now this in this insert placeholder you can insert anything like this. If you want to insert text, then you will select on your text. Here you can insert the text. If you want to add some picture, then click on this picture and drag it. Then you can insert some picture in this slide. Now if you want to some media files here, where you want to, you go and drag this here. By this you can insert some text, insert some picture, insert some media file in this. By this method you can insert. Firstly I tell you how you can delete something from the slide master. Now I told you if you want to insert something in this. This is that by this way you can customize it by deleting and by inserting something in this slides. If you have customized this slide master and you are using it, but if you want to use it further, then you have to save it. Then how you will save it? Then is blank पर सब कुछ कस्टमाइज किया है. नाउ आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस ब्लैंक स्लाइड पेन, राइट क्लिक ऑन इट, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस रीनेम लेआउट. इसका रीनेम क्या आ रहा है? ब्लैंक आ रहा है. व्हाट रीनेम यू वांट यू कैन गिव इट www. इस कस्टमाइज लेआउट का नेम मैंने किया है, दैट इज www. देन क्लिक ऑन दिस रीनेम. नाउ दिस इज सिलेक्टेड क्लियरली. नाउ यू हैव टू सेव इट. गो द फाइल, सेव एज. ये जो आपने न्यू कस्टमाइज लेआउट किया है, दैट यू हैव टू सेव दिस. इसका फाइल नेम मैंने दे दिया ww दिया था, इसका w1. आई एम गिविंग इट्स न्यू कस्टमाइज लेआउट, दैट इज w1. नाउ फ्रॉम हेयर क्लिक ऑन सेव एज टाइम. नाउ यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट हेयर PowerPoint template. If you want to save your customized layout, then you have to select it. Save as type में you will select this PowerPoint template and file name w1. Then click on this save button. Now your this customized layout is saved. Now at last you have to click in this close master view. Now if you want to see, if you want to use this customized layout further, then how you can use it? We have saved it, and where you can see मैं normal slides में आ गई हूँ. Now you will, if you want to insert something, then you generally click in this new slide option. Now I am clicking on this new slide option. In this new slide option you can see title slides, this one blank, customize, design, and at last it is showing you which name I have given. That was this one. I have given this. इसका नेम मैंने क्या दिया था? www custom design, that is. और यहाँ you can see here मैंने यहाँ पे text, यहाँ picture, and यहाँ something I have inserted text, picture and media file. So this is this layout. If I will click, you can see we can use this layout further later when we want to use it. This is all about that how you can create a customized layout. Next is how you can change the color schemes of your slides. If you want to change some color schemes of your slides, then how you can change it? Now you have to go on the design tab. किसी भी slide में go, you will go and you will click on this design tab. As you will click on this design tab, you can see there are the many themes you can see, and you can choose any theme that will be already, that themes will already be inserted there. For example, like this, then you can see इसमें मैंने ये डिज़ाइन दे दिया एंड सेकंड के अंदर मैंने ये डिज़ाइन दे दिया. बाय दिस मेथड यू कैन चेंज द कलर स्कीम ऑफ दिस. These are many themes. If you have an internet, then you can browse for the themes also, and you can get much more themes on the internet also. Now if you want to apply to all, for example, I have clicked on this. बाय दिस मेथड यू कैन अप्लाई योर कलर स्कीम टू एवरीवन. यहाँ से हम कलर्स भी दे सकते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स. आप कलर स्कीम थोड़ा सा चेंज कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग देन यू कैन select the fonts from here. By this, like this, you can see that there is a changing that is going to be changed in the slides which fonts you are selecting. If you want to give some background style, this was all about that how you can change the color scheme. Next is your background color. How we can change the background colors of your slides. Same method, you will click on this design and then there is the color background style here. Then these are the background style. आप कोई भी background style यहाँ से choose कर सकते हैं. According to that background style will be changed here. If you want to format the background, then when you will click on the format the background, then it will show you this dialog box that is known as the format background. In this format background there are the many options. That is the fill. Fill means solid fill, gradient fill. I am putting it here and you can see the changes. When I have clicked on this solid fill, you can see gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. अब different patterns है. Which pattern you will select, it will be inserted in your slides. फोरग्राउंड कलर आप चेंज कर सकते हो. फोरग्राउंड कलर मैंने ये कर लिया एंड बैकग्राउंड कलर मैंने दिस कर लिया. बाय दिस देखो देयर इज द चेंजेस हेयर. फोरग्राउंड और इफ़ यू वांट टू हाइड द बैकग्राउंड ग्राफिक्स तो आप हाइड भी कर सकते हो. दिस इज अबाउट द फिल. Next is the picture color. If you have inserted some picture, then it will show the color saturation, color tone and recolor. It will show all your about this picture color. If you have inserted some picture in it, picture correction, pictures को sharp इसके edges बड़े sharp दिखाने हैं या soften दिखाने हैं. Here another option, brightness and contrast. If you want to show some brightness in the picture and some contrast in it, then you can reset it. If artistic effect, if you want to show some artistic effect, then you can choose it. So by this you can choose different options like fill, picture correction, picture color, artistic. By inserting the picture you can use this set. This is design tab and I have already told you that how you can insert the transitions between the slides, which we have done in our last week video. Next is your animations. If you want to insert something in animation like this, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे कोई आइकन इंसर्ट किया है, कोई पिक्चर इंसर्ट किया और उसको मैं एज अ कुछ भी एनिमेशंस देना चाहती हूँ, ट्रांजिशन, तो ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट इज बिटवीन द स्लाइड्स एंड एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स यू कैन गिव टू द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट यू हैव इंसर्टेड ऑन अ स्लाइड लाइक दिस. इसको मैंने स्प्लिट की ऑप्शन दे दी, इसको मैंने वाइप का एनिमेशन प्रोवाइड कर दिया. देखो नंबर 1, नंबर 2, थर्ड एनिमेशन नाउ आई एम गिविंग इट, दैट इज द व्हील. इसको व्हील 1, 2 and 3 इस नंबरिंग को आप चेंज भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द एनिमेशंस. आई हैव मेड ओनली 2 स्लाइड्स एंड आई विल शो यू दैट द स्लाइड शो. यू कैन सी हेयर. हम इस स्लाइड्स पर जाते हैं. आई कैन गिव दिस. अब मैं इसको कुछ और दे रही हूँ, swirl like this. इसको I am giving fly in. Now we are doing this slideshow. from beginning. ओ सॉरी, वह ब्लैक ही था तो आपको वो सारे, अभी हमने कुछ इंसर्ट ही नहीं किया, सो इट इज़ नॉट शोइंग द एनिमेशंस टू यू. व्हेन यू विल इंसर्ट समथिंग, लाइक हम इंसर्ट कर देते हैं समथिंग फ्रॉम द क्लिप आर्ट बर्थडे. It's searching this media file I have inserted. Nothing more it is showing. Flower. Now I am providing it the animations like this. यहाँ पर भी हम कुछ इंसर्ट कर देते हैं लाइक दिस. इस पे भी एनिमेशन, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग द एनिमेशन हेयर, दैट इज लाइन. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द स्लाइड शो. So by this it will show the objects on the, it will show the animation to the objects which you have inserted on a slide. By this method you can apply the animation and the transitions to your slide. This was all about your this chapter, and now your unit 5 is completed. Tomorrow I will send some question answers and you have to complete your notebook, and after completing, it's compulsory for all, you have to send me the PDF. Otherwise it's sure that I will give you the 0 marks in your internal assessment. I'm really saying it seriously. Please take it seriously. And everybody, I'm saying to everyone, please send the PDF of your work done. Last time तो आपने नहीं भेजा था. बहुत से बच्चों को ये मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी कि कंप्यूटर और पंजाबी में we can take one thing. Now everybody knows that that is compulsory subject and you have to send me the PDF. Okay. Now please do the practical of all these chapters, and I will send the question answers that you have to do in your notebook also. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.